Okay guys, today is a different vlog. It is about getting a new dryer machine because our dryer machine is been broken for 2 weeks now, and we do have piled up of laundry that we need to wash. So we're on the hunt for a washing machine, dryer machine here at the CAS, Canadian Appliance Source. So we'll find out what they have, but probably they have Whirlpool, and we'll see. Maytag.
Do you see it though?
No.
Oh, see, I don't either. There it is.
Oh yeah, Canadian Appliance Source. There you go. Found it. Yay! Oh, yay. It's a washing and a drying machine. So help prevent wrinkles.
Stackable.
Just wrinkle shield option. That's the dryer right there. There's another set here. This is washer and dryer.
That looks pretty small. These are washer. I think these are combination.
But see, the brand is Boost,
Yeah, they're good, but
Bush.
they're expensive, right? $1,000.
and the price is $1,048. They're smaller. It looks like for the apartment.
Yeah, well, they're the stackable ones.
Yeah.
Those are
This
they're
is
I don't
this is
see-
nice. It's not bad. This one here.
Yeah,
The
but
size,
that's for
I
the,
mean.
that's for the set.
Yeah.
Electrolux. We don't need this set.
So we're getting the Maytag dryer. Okay. So we decided to buy the Whirlpool drying machine. So Whirlpool is actually also made by Maytag.
At gmail.com.
2 seconds, okay?
Yeah.
7:32.
From Whirlpool.
We just placed the order, and it needs 4 days before we get the machine. So, and today is 4 days past now. So we're going to pick up the drying machine from the store, because if they will deliver it, they will charge. Of course, they will charge us. So better to pick it up. So we're on the pickup truck right now, and the weather is really snowy day. It's wet snow, and it's slippery on the road. So, but then yeah, we're on the way to the store to pick up the dryer that we ordered. And since we only pay the 35% of what price of the machine, and we're going to pay the full price now as we pick it up. So there you go. What a day.
No problem. Out there, don't pay.
And here is the machine. Drying machine. So pickup truck. And look at how slushy the road today. Finally back home, and yeah, we're gonna bring it in. So this is our old one that is not working anymore. It's
Maytag brand. It's no longer working, and this is the new one we got now. So we'll see.
And she started writing.
Yay! Finally, I can do the laundry. Thanks for watching, guys.